Hello guys, today I'm making salad. It's only 8 ingredients. First, I'm going to mix. I will add natarico. Kaong. Smells good. I will going to add mayonnaise. I will add mayonnaise. Condensed. We'll put mixed fruit. I will mix it and later I will put cheese and raisins. I like salad too. It's done now. I will try it. Good. And I will add the cheese. And the raisins. And I will mix it again. After this, I will put a cover in this and put it in the freezer. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.